Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Anker PowerLine Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So there's a thanks for choosing Anker text on one edge of the box. And on the back of the box, some product features of the Anker PowerLine Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. So this is a 3-foot long cable. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, cutting apart the seal at the top using a penknife. Of course, doing it very carefully, and then popping up the box flap to reveal the Anker PowerLine Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable, and just popping out the contents and double checking, making sure everything's been removed from the box packaging. We're going to set the box to the side and then lay the contents across the tabletop right here in the middle of the frame. Okay, so let's start off by first taking a look at this little square leaflet or booklet here. So there is a not happy print on opposite sides of the booklet, and also on opposite sides inside the booklet. There we go. So I'm showing you some customer service contact details with phone numbers and email and website links as well. Alright, now we can set that down and to the side right there and take a close-up look at the Anker PowerLine Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. So you can see this is a nice, very attractive looking coil of cable. And just to give you some perspective there, resting in the palm of my hand, the 3-foot long cable. So it is a USB to USB Type-C cable, and giving you a close-up look to the details and design of the cable. You can see it even has a serial number to the cable right there, just showing you in the right orientation, and it does have a hook and loop Anker cable tidy right here, and of course, quite importantly, showing you the connectors or plugs to the cable. So this is a USB Type-C end of the cable, and of course the braiding or cover of the cable as well. So nice and tight red nylon braiding or cover to the USB cable, and just giving you a close-up look to the connector as well right there, a USB connector on this end. And just to show you, of course, the thickness of it, or the side profile, and all-around detail of the connectors to this USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. So moving to the opposite end of the cable, you can see the Anker branding right there to the Type A end. So this is a USB 3.0 connector right here, or cable. As you can see, it does have that blue detail there inside or at the USB plug Type A end, and that normally indicates that with that blue it is a USB 3.0 version. So giving you a close-up look right there to the plug on the Type A end, or the standard USB conventional end, and of course that Anker branding right there. and side profile as well. Nice close-up look. To the design and construction of this PowerLine Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. Of course, just showing you just slightly further out so you have a better idea of the length. So this is a 3-foot long cable. And of course, once again, I mentioned that USB hook and loop Anker cable tie here, or Velcro cable tie. And you can see the cover. It does have a very thick cover to the lead or cable with that very beautiful, shiny, shimmering red nylon braid on it right there. And just to show you the flexibility of the cable as well. So we're just bending it right there. There's of course a little bit of resistance, which is quite expected given the thickness of the cable right there. And just giving you a nice all-around look. So right there, opposite ends of the cable. And of course showing you both ends together right there. The USB Type A 3.0 at the top and USB-C or USB Type C at the bottom of the frame. Okay, trying to bring them in closer so that way it gives you a better sense of scale. And head on, staring right down into the connectors or plugs themselves. So right there, nice good look at this PowerLine Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable from Anker. So right there. So nice, good look overall. And once again, I repeat that this is a 3-foot long cable. So let's go ahead and undo the Anker cable tie here. And unfold this coil to give you a good idea of the length of the cable. So right there, nice good look. And let me just shift the box up slightly so it doesn't get too much in the way. And just trying to get a handle on this cable. Obviously it's just been freshly uncoiled. And there we go. So a 3-foot long PowerLine Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable right here for your charging or syncing data transfer needs. And just get that cable tidy or tied to come down slightly. And right there, you have everything in the shot, the braid as well as the connectors for this cable. So that's the Anker PowerLine Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. Thanks for watching and happy charging!